All inquisitive. What's going on? What's going on? All stretch, ballerina stretch. Oh, we're getting it all with baby Pepper today. Oh yes, getting ready to do some flying. I want to see you fly, baby Pepper. We want to see you fly. He's going to have to walk all the way down here because there's fishermen everywhere. Where can I get in? Look, he's saying, oh, I want to get back into the water. He can't fly over the fisherman. He's going to have to walk down and get in the water. The pigeons are having their fencing lesson, look. Pep peps. Oh, he's quacking. Oh, he can fly, he can fly. He can fly. He can fly. He's flown, guys. Yes. Yay. Oh my goodness, guys. He can fly. He's fledged. He's fledged. We can now successfully say he's fledged.